Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with Essentials, an Azure Speech resource, its key and endpoint, and the Speech SDK installed for your environment. Once done, initialize a speech config using that key and endpoint so the service can authenticate. Make sure to set the region correctly. Wrong region is a common silent failure. Then create an audio input or output object for the SDK, microphone, file, or stream, and test a minimal call to confirm connectivity before moving to integration. Now you implement the core flow. Instantiate either a speech recognizer for speech-to-text or speech synthesizer for text-to-speech using the speech config and audio config. Once created, start recognition or synthesis asynchronously to avoid blocking your app. While running, subscribe to events for partial results and completion so you can update UI or pipeline data in real time. Also configure speech properties like input language or voice name. These adjustments improve accuracy and naturalness for your users. Finish by gracefully stopping and disposing the recognizer or synthesizer, and persist any transcripts or audio outputs. Once done, enable SDK logging and monitor quota and latency to ensure production stability. If you hit failures, first verify your key and region match the resource, then check network access and SDK version compatibility. Mismatched SDK versions or incorrect endpoints are the most frequent root causes. If intermittent errors persist, add retries with exponential backoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.